Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh hey.
Oh hey.
How are
What's
you?
up guys? It's Katie here.
And Nicole.
And we're gonna show you a fun recipe. This is actually Nicole's recipe. Yes, so want to tell us a little about it?
Okay, so it's my recipe, but it's also, I am hijacking Trader Joe's right now. So you may have heard of the infamous Trader Joe's cauliflower gnocchi. Dun, 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 dun. It is here. It is so hard to get your hands on, and I am going to show you my go-to way to prepare it.
Yes, because I have made this twice before, 2 times.
Yeah.
And everyone talks about how amazing the Trader Joe's cauliflower gnocchi is. And I'm like, I think it's horrible because I make it wrong. And so I asked Nicole, because she posted it on her Instagram and it looked so good. So I was like, please teach me how to make it because it's clearly not how it says on the packaging.
Yes, so whatever you do not read the packaging. It's like the one time someone's going to tell you that. It's actually just so much easier than the packaging says, and because, you know, especially with gluten-free food, it tends to be mushy. So if you steam it or do like submerge it in water, whatever they tell you, it's literally going to be mush.
That's what it was. It was total mush, and I was like, this is.
It was actually hysterical. I remember it saying to you, like, have you had this? And you were like yeah.
Ew.
Thanks.
Pile of mush. So what we have here is some tomato sauce to go along with it. We have kale and spinach. You guys can actually add like any green or vegetable. I feel like it'd be super good in it.
Yeah.
Some fresh tomatoes and parsley. So I actually put my parsley in like any pasta or even like an egg scramble or whatever.
Yep.
Just has such good nutrients, great vitamin C, and then some olive oil.
Yeah, and honestly, gluten eaters, you are not going to know that you're having gluten-free pasta, nevertheless, like cauliflower. So yeah.
Yeah, do you taste the cauliflower?
No.
Amazing.
Yeah,
All right.
let's do it.
All right, show me how to do it.
Okay, so we're going to heat up our skillet and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to our pan.
Perfect.
And magic. Then it's literally as simple as open and add. So from frozen to fresh in under 10 minutes.
This is what it looks like, guys.
Yeah. So it's literally, as I said, it's gonna go from frozen to fresh, under 10 minutes for sure. We'll add our greens as this gets cooking. I want you guys to know, because this is like a huge debate. There are 3 ways to cook the cauliflower gnocchi where it's not mush.
Really?
This is the Nicole way.
Okay.
Because I'm impatient, I get hungry,
Yeah.
and when I'm like, oh, I'm hungry, I want food now, so this is the fastest
And
way.
you want something super quick when
Super
you're,
quick,
you know,
yeah.
to eat healthy.
I have made it in an air fryer, fine. And then baking it. Baking it, you will get super crisp gnocchi, but who has 40 minutes?
No, not me.
No, not me. I'm more of like I'm hungry, I want it now.
Exactly, and
Yeah.
I don't even own an air fryer, so.
Right, and that's
Yeah.
a little
much.
much.
Step up for my
A little
cooking.
much. So yeah, so what I do is I just kind of move it around, get a little spatula situation
Yes,
going.
got you.
Move it around as it cooks. Yeah, because you don't want it to, you can hear it already.
Yes, and I'm gonna start cutting these little cherry tomatoes.
Perfect.
I feel like we're about to have a gourmet meal in under 10 minutes. All right, so it's been a couple minutes. I'm gonna throw in some spinach, some kale.
Yes, let's get that going.
Right
We can
there.
even add a little more olive oil if we want
yes.
to get that like extra saute situation.
Perfect.
Ooh,
Some tomatoes.
looks like Christmas. It literally looks like a wreath.
It really does.
So let's start sauteing this all up.
That smells so good.
While our cauliflower continues to bake through. Oh, and the cauliflower, oh yeah, some garlic powder, salt and pepper, always necessary. And people always ask what is in the cauliflower gnocchi. It is cauliflower, cassava flour, potato starch, extra virgin olive oil, and I think a little salt. But it is minimal ingredients, and you literally are having like a crazy Italian feast.
Wow.
Okay, so
It is ready.
it is ready. We're gonna shut this off. Now, we were just discussing, do we want tomato sauce on, tomato sauce off? There is some tomato in it because of the tomatoes. So, totally personal preference.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, this is ready to go, so.
Yeah, I'm not a huge tomato sauce fan, but it really does add a lot of flavor and it'll make you feel like you're eating like more like a bolognese.
Yeah.
But we're gonna pass for right now. I'm gonna put a little parsley on top of mine.
Yep. You can add some vegan cheese, tomato sauce, whatever your vibe is.
Okay, ready?
Okay, here we go.
All right, you guys, I'm trying cauliflower gnocchi cooked the right way for the first time.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cauliflower cheers. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Like, I'm curious what the bad way tastes like, because it's just so good.
Oh my God, the texture is amazing. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. This tastes like real gnocchi.
It is so good.
Am I pronouncing it right?
Gnocchi.
She's Italian. Gnocchi. She's
That's
Italian.
how I know she's not Italian.
Yeah. I'm like,
Gnocchi.
gnocchi? Not Italian. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well,
good.
cheers. Thank you so much for teaching me.
Of course. Anytime.
And try it, guys. Let us know if you guys try this recipe. I highly, highly recommend it.
Yeah.
Hey.
Trader Joe's, call me.